Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to pre-market report sponsored by Delta.exchange. For the last 1 or 2 weeks, the report was irregular. That's because I'm traveling in Malaysia. So my travel will be ending by tomorrow. So by tomorrow evening, I will be reaching Singapore. Then after that, I will put regular videos. Coming back to market. So US markets, it was moving higher for the last 3 days, but yesterday it fell. And more importantly, yesterday it fell despite a very good positive inflation data. So usually when inflation data comes, US markets go higher if the inflation data is favorable. Yesterday inflation data was favorable. The markets went up in the morning, and then towards the end there was a profit booking, so the market came down. Even in our market also, yesterday towards the end of the day there was a profit booking, and Nifty has fallen nearly 100 points. Even day before yesterday also, towards the end there was a profit booking, and the Nifty fell about 50 points. And however, institutional flow has been very healthy. If you can remember, today is 12th of June, and in fact exactly 1 month before, 12th of May, is when the Nifty shot up, gap up, there was a huge gap up and then moved higher, and Nifty was up nearly 1000 point, and then Nifty closed at 24,920 on that day, and the high was close to 25,000. So from then, for the last 1 month, it has been just consolidation between in fact, on the very first day, that is on 12th of May, in the post market, I said, going forward, Nifty is likely to trade between 24,500 and 25,200. There's a 700 point range. For the last 1 month, that is what it is happening, except that 2 times Nifty broke 24,500 on intraday basis. However, both times, immediately there was a very good reversal. So clearly 24,500 is a support and 25,200 is the resistance for the last 1 month. So yesterday, briefly Nifty tried to take out 25,200, but the profit booking came and the market fell significantly. So right now, GIFT Nifty indicating slightly negative opening. So anyway, our market is bullish, but the important thing for the last 2 days is the Bank Nifty. After the RBI policy, the Bank Nifty shot up nearly 1000 point, and that was the first sector to break out. But then after that, that is still consolidating. In fact, for the last 2 days, though Nifty moved significantly higher, the Bank Nifty has fallen for the last 2 days. And today we have some other problems also. So it looks like there is some problem between US and Iraq, that because of the crude oil prices have shot up. The crude prices have shot up around 4%. But our market has no direct correlation with crude prices, because if crude prices go up, petrol and diesel prices should go up here, and crude prices goes down, petrol and diesel prices should go down here. But that practically that is not happening. So therefore that may not have a big impact, but it will have some kind of a sentimental effect. So if the prices going down in crude oil, even if the government is not passing on the prices to the consumers, at least the government is benefiting. But if the price goes higher, so that no one benefits, neither the public nor the government. So in that sense, crude prices going higher is actually not good for India overall. So definitely we may see some impact in auto sector today. The banking sector is already slightly weak. But when there is a good news, something like 50 basis point rate cut, market goes higher. Then after that 2 or 3 days, profit booking comes. Then, suddenly one day there may be a short covering. The Bank Nifty may move significantly higher. So that possibility is there, but we will see. Especially for the last few trading session, the market has been very, very good. So the profit booking may not be ruled out if the markets move higher. So anyway, looking at the open interest, the premiums were very high. So a few days before, I think I said people are taking 25,000 short straddle. I think the premium was about 400 rupees or something like that. I think, so they're all like will be benefited. So those who have taken 25,000 short straddle. So overall, market trend is bullish. In fact, I do follow a certain technical analysis. So this is one of the longest bullish trend, through that technical. So probably you would have remembered about 2.5 months before I would have told you, Nifty crosses 23,200 on the higher side, and then the market is becoming long. Then after that, the market has never become short. So Nifty has already rallied nearly 2,000 points. So basically, there may be volatility due to expiry day, but the long-term trend is still bullish, and some good news keep coming from global levels also, like US-China trade talks and this and that. Institutional flow also seems to be very, very good. So there is no reason to be bearish, but at the same time, today especially, expiry day volatility may continue. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.